ladies, it's Barbara and I am your menopause drama mom, and if you are new to my channel, I welcome you with open arms. Today I have one more video on I guess natural things to do for your teeth, and these are natural herbs and natural essential oils that can help your teeth and gums. The first one is clove. Now clove is a natural anesthetic, and it is a powerful antibacterial, and it reduces any nerve pain really quick in your mouth. And you use it by using 1 drop of essential clove oil and a teaspoon of coconut oil, and then you would just swab it on around the the area that you are having an issue with. But never use like an essential oil directly. It always has to be with a carrier oil, and they do recommend coconut oil be the carrier oil. Number 2 is myrrh. Now myrrh promotes gum tissue repair, so I am going to try that one. Actually, I just put some in my Amazon cart. I want to see if myrrh can help with my gum tissue issues that I have. But it is a strong antimicrobial, and it is used for centuries in oral medicine, so I don't think it can hurt me. Number 3 is sage, and sage is it reduces the bleeding of the gum, so that means like when your gums are inflamed, this can help reduce that inflammation and reduce any bleeding that you may have around your teeth. It is an anti-inflammatory, and it calms any irritated issue down. And what you would do is brew sage as a tea, and you can use it twice daily as an oral rinse for yourself. The fourth one is thyme, and thyme is an extremely antibacterial, actually, because it has thymol in it, and it helps prevent plaque and infections on and around your teeth. You use it by taking 1 drop of thyme oil and a tablespoon of water and a pinch of like sea salt, and then swish it around like the area that you're having an issue with in your mouth. Number 5 is golden seal, and that one is a strong antimicrobial berberine, and especially helpful for when you have gum pockets like I do. You would mix a powder or a tincture of the golden seal in diluted warm water, and then short term for like 7 to 10 days, you would just use that as like an oral rinse for your mouth. Number 6 is coconut oil pulling. Now, I have tried this before, but I don't know. You have to do it for like 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm sorry, but my mouth gets super tired trying to do that. And you cannot spit this down your sinks when you do coconut oil pulling. You have to spit it out in the garbage. So just so you don't want to clog up your pipes. But coconut oil pulling helps because it reduces harmful bacteria, and it soothes any exposed roots. So like mine are with my receding gums. And it's an anti-inflammatory. So you would take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and you would swish it around gently for 5-10 minutes in your mouth, and then spit it out in the trash, but definitely not in the sink if you don't want to have plumbing issues too on top of it. Next is tea tree oil. That's the next one. That's number 7. And that works because it kills infection, which is causing the bacteria in your mouth, and it reduces any gum swelling. And you use that by taking 1 drop in a half a cup of water, and you rinse it gently, but never ever swallow these essential oils when you are doing them as a mouth rinse for yourself. Number 8 is oregano oil, and that's very, very powerful. It's antimicrobial, and it helps stubborn infections. So I do take right now an oregano oil with my black seed oil, um, because I can tell that right now I have an infection about where this molar is, so I know where there was a deep pocket. Um, Food must have got in there, and I tell you, I am so good about caring for my teeth. I brush them morning, most of the time at lunch, and always before bed. I am very good about rinsing my mouth. I am very good about making sure, I floss between any teeth that I cannot, when I rinse, can't get the stuff out. So I'm always flossing and trying to clean, but I'm telling you, damn those pockets that are around my teeth. So there had to have been food that got caught in the last one here. And now it's swollen around the tooth and like right on the next to it toward the palate of my mouth. So I don't know. I am taking that oregano oil. We'll see if it helps. If not, take a trip to the damn dentist office. So anyway, so what you do with oregano oil is use 1 drop of oregano oil with a tablespoon of olive or coconut oil, and you dab it on the area of the gum that seems to be infected or inflamed. And you only do that for a very short term, use. So if the inflammation doesn't calm down, I would say within like 3-4 days. Oh, excuse me. Always afternoon I have this issue. I get a little tired. Anyway, then I would definitely go make an appointment with your dentist. So next is neem oil. And I always thought neem oil was just for plants, but apparently not. Maybe that's a different neem. I don't know. But neem oil works because it's a traditional Ayurvedic gum remedy, and it reduces plaque and bacteria. And you use that by diluting 1 to 2 drops in warm water and then rinsing your mouth with that. And again, don't swallow any of these essential oils when you're rinsing. Just spit them out, in the trash, really. I wouldn't rinse anything or spit anything down the drain that has oil in it. But especially because we have a mound system. So anyway, the best combination for receding gums and infections is warm sea salt water rinsing, myrrh or a sage rinse, coconut oil pulling, and occasional clove oil for pain. And it's always important, your safety notes, to dilute your essential oils with the carrier oil of coconut oil. And also, don't use any essential oils for like a very long-term use. I would do this for short-term only. And the things that help supplement-wise will for receding gums and like the oral issues is your minerals of magnesium, calcium, and vitamin D. Vitamin C is a big one for healing, collagen support, and always avoid aggressive brushing of your teeth. So that's it. That is my tips about natural herbs and oils to use for your oral health. And I hope that you found this to be a very informative video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, a like. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell button if you'd like to be notified of more videos when I put them out. Take care, ladies. Love you tons, and I hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you are in this world, and sending positive vibes your way. Till next time, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.